Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is another alternate card using elements from the May 2024 Paper Pumpkin kit called The Best There Is. What I've got is a standard North American card base in Very Vanilla, a 5.5 by 4 1/4 piece of the envelope that I've cut out that's going to cover the whole front. I've got a 5 1/4 by 4 matte in Early Espresso that's going to go over. Then I've got a 5 by 3 3/4 matte that's going to go over top of that. And I'm going to use one of the card fronts, or one of the, card fronts from the kit. And I tried to color in the birds here, didn't work. But what I'm doing is I'm going to layer this up over top, so I've got some 3D. And I took the stamp that I've now moved out of the way. Where did it go? Right in front of me. I took the stamp that says, with love and admiration to the most amazing person, and I masked off the with love and admiration and just put to the most amazing person on Very Vanilla towards the top of the piece. And then I cut it out using the die from the Thanks and Beyond dies. That's the add-on kit. So let's go ahead and get this card built. And again, when you're layering up, you can absolutely cut the middles out of these to save on cardstock. I'm choosing not to do that this time, but I am going to put adhesive right close to the edge on this piece so that I don't get any kind of waffling or any lifting at the edges. And this is going to go perfectly up to the edges like that. So the whole card front is covered. And then we're going to layer this piece. And I'm using up my old pieces of scrap for this, so there you're going to see some labeling on them. And we're going to layer this one up as we always do. Line up, equidistance top, side, and bottom, and when you drop it down, it will be even all the way around. We aren't going to layer that up right now, but we are going to just add this piece to our card front. Again, lining it up equal distance top, side, and bottom, and then dropping it down. And then we're going to dimensionalize this piece to give the card front a little bit of depth. Okay, so just put those 4 on like that. You can put another one in the middle. Yeah, let's do that. Let's put another one in the middle just to give it some stability. So we'll do that. And like that. Get those up and out of the way. And we're just going to place this down so it matches exactly. And then just drop it down like that. So now we've got kind of a 3D effect on the front. We're also going to dimensionalize this, and again, using up my scraps of paper, so you're going to see the labels on the back like this. You can cut another piece in the Early Espresso or anything you like and have it kind of banner down a little bit with multiple layers. I chose not to, but again, my cards are just a jumping off place for you to take your ideas. So we're going to line that up at the top and then just pop it down like that. And then we're dimensionalizing it onto the card base and mat that's already there. So we're just going to pop that down like that. And one in the middle. I'll peel those off and build the front of the card. And there we go. All right, so let's again layer this up, equal distance top, bottom, and side. Drop it down. And there we go. That is our alternate card using elements from the Paper Pumpkin Kit. So it's got some interest to it with the different heights, the different layering out. Kind of takes it up that little bit from just a plain card front. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.